What is the common denominator behind obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, a weakened immune system, and a memory loss? The answer may surprise you. It's the lack of sleep. A study by American Heart Association found that people who suffer from sleep deprivation have 48% risk of developing or dying from the heart disease. In fact, people who sleep less than 5 hours a night also have a 15 times higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. But that's about to change. My name is Abhi Duggal, and through my YouTube channel Meditate with Abhi, I've helped millions of people achieve a restful night's sleep. Imagine finally being able to drift off into sleep effortlessly every single night. In this course, I'll reveal the ancient sleep secrets I learned from my guru growing up in India. These secrets are time-tested, and science is only catching up now. You'll learn how to tap into the power of your own body through mantras and create a perfect environment for sleep through Yoga Nidra. And the best part? This isn't just a temporary fix. These are lifelong strategies that'll change the way you sleep forever. I've distilled all my knowledge and experience into an easy-to-follow course that'll give you the most powerful tools you need to overcome your sleep challenges once and for all. Whether you're struggling with insomnia, sleep apnea, or just want to improve the quality of your sleep, this course is for you. If you're ready to put this knowledge into practice and experience a restful night's sleep, welcome to my course, Sleep Your Way to a Better Health. Sign up now.